I'm a new game development enthusiast, and I'm going to tell you what I have learned starting as a Godot engine developer. I think it's very important to know that even though Godot is very beginner friendly, easy peasy type shit, but it still has some issues, and one of them is that some of the names and I mean the components names are a bit misleading. And for example, one of them is scene. A scene is not a level. A level can be a scene, but a scene is just a pack and a collection of components that you can use in different type of scenes. For example, a scene can be just the game. The whole game can be a scene, and then inside that scene we have like the scene for the level, which includes the things that are related to the level. And then you have a scene for the player, which you put everything that is related to the player, but you shouldn't put like the enemy inside the player, because that scene is defined for the player. And inside the player you can like have a sword. That sword should be a scene. You can have, if like your sword can have different type of hilts, you can put each hilt in a new scene and then import that scene inside the sword scene, and etc. Now that you know a scene is not a level, you have to know that you should put each scene in its folder, and you should put the scripts and the scenes in the same folder that are related together. I didn't do this in the first place, and you see, for example, I have this folder for the scenes, and they're just all the scenes, because I thought they are levels, and I put them in one folder, and it was based on a tutorial as well. And I then put the scripts in a folder. But you should put, for example, if this is the player, okay, this is the player. The player has his own scene, okay, but the scene should, like, the player and the script of the player should be in the same folder. And then inside that scene, you can have unique access names. What is a unique access name? You see, when you click something, I mean, right click something, you see there is this access as a unique name. When you click that, this icon will appear, this percentage, okay? And this allows the other like node to access that node. For example, I have this node for the coins display, which is the UI basically, okay? And inside this UI, I have a score label and a video player, and the score label, I set it as a unique access. So now inside here, I can just have the percentage score viewer, and then that text is score plus score, okay? And you see, if I didn't have a scene, that would be a whole mess, because every one of these nodes would have access to that thing. You should revoke any unique name inside the like main scene, main level, as long as it's not related to the player. And for example, I have this player scene which is not related to the like games scene. The game scene is for the like collection of these things. Most of the time you don't need to like give access. You can send signals. And what is signal is, for example, in the coins, let me show you. I have this coins like node which includes all the coins, and inside is each coin. You see, it's the coin, it's the animated sprite, it's the collision shape, it's the coin sound, and it's the animation player which plays the like coins rotation and the sound and everything, okay? And in the script, I have defined a signal. So you can use signal instead of giving unique access names each time you want to send something to the, for example, game manager or anything. You define signal. Okay, you say this script has a signal. I mean, it sends or emits a signal. And that signal is the collected coin, and the argument of it is the coin position. And when a body enters, it connects it to the like desired like function. I mean, it connects it to the function inside the player's script, and then it emits a signal and says connected coin dot emit global position, and it emits this signal, and any script that has been connected to this script via that function can receive that signal and do anything that it wants. For example, here in the player's script, I have defined many uh, functions, which includes like on kill zone user respond, on kill zone user died, on coin collected coin. For example, this is the one that I connected there. And when a coin is collected, a signal is emitted. Okay, a signal is emitted, and the player receives the signal and does everything that it wants to do. For example, adds a score and adds the coin's position to the collected coin, so we can like respawn the coin when the user died, and this type of shit. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. And regarding my channel, I'm going to post my journey of game development and anything that I learn, because I'm a programmer myself, so I know some of the things. For example, that the thing that these scenes should be in a folder like with the scripts and this type of thing is organization. Okay, and if you don't organize your whole thing, you be into a lot of problem later on when you have a very complicated game. So if you want to learn more and if you want to see how I'm going in my game development journey, please consider subscribing. And if you have any comments, please leave a comment below. And yeah, thanks. Bye.